This video focuses on creating customer statements in QuickBooks Online. Now, you can access statements from a couple different areas. You click on the plus sign, the far right, which would be all your transactions, and you would think it might be under Customers menu, but actually it's under the Other menu, Statement. It's one way to get there. The other way is if you click on Sales on the left-hand panel, or you might have Customers in your left-hand panel, and go to Customers, because the sales transaction window, if you do new transactions, statement is not on here. However, if you click on Customers, or you go to your customer list in your QuickBooks Online file, you can also get there in the Action column, Create Statement. So I'm going to do a transaction statement, though you can do a balance forward or open item as well. And then under Customer Balance, I'm going to do Open, and then you can apply the filter. I can't really customize statements per se, QuickBooks Online. However, you can choose a date range if you want, looking at all last year or something like that. So, I'm doing a whole year. You might not do that. You might just do last month or something, but the transaction statement for, say last year or something like that, I could do that, or up through today. And here's all the statements available. It'll let you know when there's a missing email address, assuming that you're going to be sending these out, right? So you can just fill in the email address. 56 here, and I'll just print preview to give you an idea. But there's a save and send, or you can save and close, or just click save and then send them later. So I'll go ahead and click print preview now, just so we can see them. And then here are my statements as I scroll through them. So for each customer, Mike Ballack, the amount he owed, how much was received. So basically it's the transaction statement for the year for these invoices and payments, also sales receipts. So you could use this for your donors as well, as opposed to a report. Here's someone who has some pretty good activity. Total amount, total received. So clearly there's still some open items there. So again, to recap, you can create 3 different types of statements. Make sure you have the email address in there, which will prompt you anyway. Do a little filtering. You can't do much customization at all to the statements, and you're going to find it under the plus sign, the other column, statement, or from the customer list. However you get there from the left-hand panel, in the action column, you'll see the ability to create a statement.